Very welcome for joining me on this trip in Playa, Las Americas. Come and take a walk with me. Okay, I'm actually outside the Optimist. Plenty of parking here, look here. I'm sure people can comment on that. We're going to walk up here anyway. Over there, that is the Central building. And the Hong Kong restaurant over the other side. The Hot Pot. See that?
Where?
Need to try that out, see what it's like inside there. There are one or two places inside the Central building and whatever, like bars, etc. Not going to go in there, there isn't really a lot to see. But if you've been in there or you walk past it, just poke your head through the, how can I put it, alleyway there, like, and you'll understand why I'm not going to film that. Optimist's got one of those tennis courts or basketball courts there. This is the Coral Beach, Sun Prime. And that's Guardia Civil. So we're not going in there, are we? Civil Guard. Keep out of there. So there's a car park below ground in the Central building. So parking on the streets, bit of a premium. Sounds like we've still got building work going on around here, folk. Yep, definitely building work. Seems to be all over the place. And this hotel, by the way, has parking and charging areas for the scooters. Anyway, walking on. Nice little German bar there, look here. Eat, drink, and be happy. Can't fault them. And the tattoo place down at the bottom. These places, Altimar, do appear on Airbnb. So, yeah. Do you want to have a quick look inside there? I know it's private, but the door's undone. See what I mean? All the letterboxes, such like. So, quite a nice complex. Down we go. See what else there is down here. So we'll look at the pool. The pool looks like it's gated, which is possibly a good idea. Yeah, plenty of building work going on. Same as I say. I'm not going to go no further. We got the gist, there's the pool. So we'll walk back out. So here we go then, folk, going back out. And I think we'll take a left turn. What do you reckon? Oh. There you go. That's the Altimar. Now, there's a reason why I'm actually doing this walk, is because we are going to take a quick look at the, well, I'm not going to say anything yet, one of the hotels. One of the subscribers says, just check this out. Is the building work still continuing? I don't know until we actually get there. But we will see what we see. Oh, cool area. Very nice. So we'll keep walking on. On we go. So, this here is Mrs. Tezza's favourite hotel, Tigotan. Tell you what, there's lots of traffic around today. Oops, that's been stood a while, folk, hasn't it? Just park it up. Yeah, don't forget you've got the restaurant downstairs as well. So as I say, this is your to-go town, which is a very, very nice hotel. There you go. So we got a picture of it. Yeah. There you go. And your YOLO sports bar. You only live once. Ah, this is a nice addition. We've now got a shaded area over here. Didn't used to have that. So that's a definite improvement. What do you reckon? Yet it looks like it's always been here, but it hasn't been here. And same as I say, there's your YOLO sports bar. So on we go then, folk. Top bar there. Very, very nice bar that is. And if you're catching the bus back to the airport, a good place to sit and wait for the bus. Have your last refreshment before you actually go to the airport. And this is what I was going to say. Major construction work. And that is at the Coral, California. So yeah, still under construction. Okay viewers, I'm going to thank you for watching this one, and I'll see you in the next one.